So in fact, I want to pose this as a problem for you, as an exercise for you to try to do this yourself first. Okay, so the challenge is this. Now I think you have all the tools. I want you to analyze the free body diagram over here. So I want you to, step one, try to draw the free body diagram of this ball over here. All right, I think I have it before, but just do it again, and assume no friction. What we want to see is a ball of a large mass and a small mass. Do they arrive at the bottom at the same time? So I'll tell you the answer finally is they will arrive at the same time. Okay, at the bottom over here. And so how do we quantify that in physics? Is to say that basically when you have an object, when you roll down, its acceleration is independent of its mass, just like in free fall, it'll be independent of its mass. So I want you to try to analyze the net force, and I want you to calculate the net force in this direction. Net force in this direction, and now find its acceleration in this direction, right, down the slope, and show that whatever it is, it's independent on the mass of this object. So let's say this guy has mass m. All right, so here's your challenge. And once you give it a try, you can watch the next video when it's ready, and you can see the solution to that.